Today we are going to be making slime. We're going to make Nickelodeon slime and glow-in-the-dark slimy goop. Okay, let's get started. We're going to start with the Nickelodeon slime. I've got my bowl here and I've got the instructions on how to make the slime. So let's see what we do first. It says measure 15 milliliter of white glue. Okay, using the supplied glue, and here's our white glue. And hope I get it about right anyway. Okay, we'll put that in the bowl. All right, if you ever made slime, this is my first time, so we'll see. And then we need water. Pour the water in. Okay, and choose your additive. Spoonful of colorant. Okay, well, kind of stir up this glue a little bit, and I'm going to add some of the color in. We're gonna see how this makes the slime. Let's see, I think I'm going to choose the blue coloring. And it says a spoonful. I'm gonna just put some in and we'll see how we go. That's pretty blue. We can add some more later if we need to. I'm gonna mix that up. They also have a way to make glow in the dark and googly eyes, go scented. Lots of things that you can do with this one. Stir the mixture of glue, water, and additive. Let's see. Okay, we need 5 of this. Oh, I hope this works. Well, let's try that. Okay, stir that up. You can add confetti to it, foam beads, lots of things that you can add to this Nickelodeon slime. Okay, I'm stirring this. I don't know if you can see. It is kind of, maybe I didn't put enough glue in. I'm gonna try adding a little more glue. Some of this didn't get measured exactly, so there's our glue. Maybe add a little more of the activator. Okay. Fun to see how the different kinds of slime work. It's a pretty color. And this says it makes ooey gooey slime. Okay. We're gonna let that sit. We're gonna go over to the glow in the dark slimy gloop. All right, slimy gloop, we have our bowl and it says do not eat the slimy gloop, and you find the warm water, which I have just the amount they say, and 1 teaspoon of this, and they provided our sodium tetraborate, and let's see, get the package opened here. And they say do 1 teaspoon, and they provided the teaspoon, so let's see what this makes. And it says you just need 1 level teaspoon. Okay, we did that part, and then stir with a plastic spoon until it dissolves. Okay. And then it says, oh, we need some more water. All right, that sets aside, and I need to go get some more water. Be right back. Okay. Have a second bowl, 25 again, into the bowl of the warm water, and now we need white glue right here. I'm going to pour 16. Okay, and we're going to get as much of that out as we can, and stir. Slowly pour this into our solution, and we'll see how it does. That was kind of fast rather than slow. Okay guys, let's see what happens here. We stir until all the water is absorbed. We also can add the color. Ooh, this looks pretty cool. Oh, I think I got some popped right up on my head. Felt like it. Okay, stir that in. At least this one is maybe gonna go a little better. It looks pretty stringy though. Yeah, it's gotta go into all of that water. Let's go back and check our other mixture, and it's a beautiful color. It's kind of just runny. We need to get it a little bit so it's thicker. Okay, after playing with this slime for a while longer, you can see this one. This kind of makes a nice little slime. And I wasn't sure this one didn't cost quite as much, so I thought maybe this one would work better. I've added more activator to this other one, and it is still just runny. So for whatever reason, it just didn't work out as well for me. So thanks anyway. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time. Bye.